calculator software for Dahua, so you can clear the channel already been added. This is the one that I added before, so let me just clear it so that I will start afresh. So this is the new interface now for this calculator. So here now you can click on add streaming. This add streaming means that you want to add a channel, so depending on the number of channels you have on your NVR. So if I click on this one, I add one. So I click on one, I add two. So if I continue clicking it, it will add any more. So for this video purpose, this calculator can calculate up to 1,224 camera channels for you. So I'll click on it and continue to add it for me till I reach the number I wanted. So let me stop at 7. Now I have to edit all these parameters so that I can calculate the actual disk my NVR will require, or so that we know the number of day if my NVR will be recorded. So this channel 1 has already been pre-selected. So I come here and change it to channel 2. I come here and change it to channel 3. Here to channel 4. Here to channel 5. Here to channel 6. And here to channel 7. So now I come to compression here. So as we all know, we have H.264, H.265 compression code. So for me here, I'll be using H.265. This is more popular with the popular CCTV we have in the market now, like Dahua, like Equation, and so on. So I'll be using H.265 compression model. So I've selected all this for all the channels I've selected before. So this for all the channels. I'm doing it one by one. So this environment tab is not showing anything, so move to the solution. Here now you have CIF, VGA, D1, 1MP, 1.3 MP, 2 MP, 3 MP, 4 MP, and up to 12 MP. So I will select 2 MP here generally for all the channels I wanted to use in this video. So I'm using 2 MP for them. So you can see now I'm selecting the 2 MP for them. So as I'm changing them now, you can see it's changing the maximum frame rate for them. So here now you come to the maximum frame rate. Now I can just decide which frame rate my camera will be taking. So most of the camera now have maximum frame rate of 25 frames per second. So I'm selecting 25 frames per second for all of them now. So as I'm saying now, so I'll just select the frame rate, the one I wanted. So this the maximum frame rate that I actually take the anyone you desire. So once you click on the tab, so you have range from 1, 5, 10, 15, and 20. So I will go with 20 just for this video purpose. You can select anyone you wanted. So I'm going for 20 for all of the channel I selected, especially for the calculation of this fire for my NVR. So once I'm done here, I move to this other tab here. So that's all. So you actually pop up all the bitrate and channel per kilobyte. So if you decide, if your camera is the type I have your audio camera, you can select the audio for them. You can see now, so select the audio now, the bitrate increase to 1852. So once I turn it off, we go back to 1792. So here now you now come to calculate the disk now. So this is the recording day now. Yeah. So you can select the storage capacity here. For here now, look at it. You can decide to choose 6 TB storage capacity, 4 TB, 3, 2, 1, and so on. So you can do customize. Customize will allow you to select any precise storage capacity you wanted to use now. So for this purpose now, I'm using 16 TB now. Now you ask me to set my record plan now. So on Sunday, I set it to be recorded on 24 hours, while the other day to be 12 hours. So Monday 12, Tuesday 12 hours, Wednesday 12 hours, Thursday 12 hours, and Friday also 12 hours, including Saturday. So once I click on this, calculator now, you calculate the number of recording days my capacity can take. So look at it now. You give me 6 weeks, 4 days, and 1 hour and 6 minutes. So that's what I can get now from this storage capacity now. So if you are the type that your capacity is just 8 terabytes, just include 8 terabytes and come and calculate for the recording days too. You can see now if your 8 terabyte storage you have on your NVR, it show you that you can only have 3 weeks and 1 day, then 6 hours 8 minutes for your recording in your NVR. So you can as well change the recording plan as well too. So I can decide to set it to 12 hours too for Sunday too. So let us do the 12 hours now and also calculate again. I feel like I changed the 3 weeks, 5 days and 6 hours 8 days too. Initially it was 3 weeks and 4 days. So this is how you can make use of Dahua digital calculator. This guy will help you to plan the storage you wanted for your NVR. So if your client require more storage, you can come to this software and calculate the number of days the client will get the storage is required. So the client is asking for like 3 months storage capacity, then you know that from here now you can get the number of hard drive required for the NVR. So I hope you all like this video and enjoy it. If so, kindly click on the share button, like and comment, and subscribe to my channel so that you can get notification whenever I upload a new video. Thank you and God bless you. See you